Hello again and welcome. My name is Dr. Amanda Breeze. I'm a pastoral counselor, meditation researcher, and yoga therapist, and I've spent 20 years on this journey of Christian adapting complementary therapies for adult survivors of family trauma. Initially in my own journey of dealing with developmental trauma, things that happened to me in my childhood before I turned 18. And I'm talking about things outside of just my relationship with my folks. I think in general, attachment theory spends entirely too much time only focused on that relationship, but I had other things that happened in my life, specifically with my church, that really impacted me for the rest of my life in a major way. I was a victim of a crime in the church that I grew up in, the Bible-believing Christian church I was raised in. That was really my lifeline. And that was a huge betrayal, and it broke my heart, and I'm still dealing with the effects of that today. I'm still living in the community where it happened, facing that on a regular basis, continuing to reconcile that. And that is where I feel like Holy Spirit is doing a new thing in opening my eyes, at least, to maybe places where I've had pastors on a pedestal, where I've wanted them to be more than they are, that they are humans and they have struggles, and also dealing with churchianity and its preoccupation with patriarchy, and specifically putting this sort of male worldview on this pedestal, and really the Holy Spirit being the one that knocked that down for me, and to accept that really this is about my relationship with Holy Spirit, and that these other modalities, it's not as simple as just saying like, oh, well, I'm going to practice Pilates and read my Bible, and that'll be a substitution for Christian yoga, and it's just not worth the risk, right? Like I hear that one a lot. Why would somebody even risk it spiritually? That's so irresponsible to be practicing Christian yoga. What if you were accidentally worshiping a demon? That is the dance, isn't it? And the truth is that a lot of these spiritual practices, the church wants things to be black and white, but we are animated with the breath of life, what they call prana, chi, life force, subtle energy. And this breath of life that animates us is what makes us different than a corpse. And all humans have life force, like they all have a nose. And this is something that acupuncture manipulates. And it's really not unique to one single worldview, one single religion. And that's what I want to share with you today, is that it's okay to dive into these healing modalities, to learn more about them without apology. So join me, yogarelationship.co.